Well, I just hit a flock of birds. Got anywhere from 9 to 12 of them, I think. Still got one stuck up in the visor. Oh, he might be falling down now. Majority of them hit the passenger side windshield, and I got gore over on the driver's side too. Luckily it didn't crack the windshield. But a few blackbirds don't have to worry about anymore. Okay, I hit all those birds. Yeah, I hit a bunch of them. I got blood and guts, all kinds of feathers. I got blood clear up here. Yeah, all those speckles are I even got them where they hit the trailer.